Dear God. Anyway, the winch brings the thing that you can drop it very quickly by just dropping it, and then lock that off, and then to pull it up I just fold it back in, and so that we don't burn the motor out, there's a little micro switch here that switches off the power when it gets to the top. And steering, just straight forward, servo there, and it's run from one thruster underneath, which so we have a thruster and a rudder. Okay, right. And the beast goes, the previous ones that we made were not very quick because they were using very cheap. It was using differential steering, 2 motors like a bait boat, and very, but they were a bit slow and so on. So so when you get to where you want, you can move it around, obviously. And then I just drop the anchor. So we'll drop the anchor now. So that's it, actually anchored. It's not going to move. At least hope it won't move. And then when we need to haul it, I'll just haul the anchor up. And you can start moving it fairly quickly. It takes about a minute to get it up to the 2 meters.
So when the weight hits the bottom,
yeah,
what stops the mark from moving then?
What I do is when we unmesh those 2 gears, that drops it, and I immediately lock them back together again.
Okay, so that blocks.
That locks the length of the anchor line.
Okay.
So you got to do it fairly quickly, otherwise
it'll drift.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So once it's clear, I can then steer it to where we want it to be. And if you want, you'll actually, if I'll drop the anchor here, you'll see it going. Oh, it's not actually fully up yet, but I'll drop the rest of it down, and
oh yeah, you can see at the bottom
you just
there.
see the white. So it's now anchored, and I've locked it off, and then I'll haul it up. You can hear the wee winch working. It takes a little while to haul it back up.
You can see the mark moving because of the position just above the weight. Excellent.
You can just see the white of the mark coming off the bottom there. So it's not the fastest winch in the world, and one of the things we may do something about, but it works.
Yeah. You can see the weights coming up there.
So you don't actually have to bring it all the way up. If you're just repositioning a mark, you just pull it a foot off the bottom and then reposition it. Here the motor's now switched off. So we drive it for wherever you want to go. It has the directional stability of a ship plate.
Yeah, no, that's brilliant.